whole country is good fox habitat. A lot of crops and there's water. It's generally good habitat. Now this is the animal we wanted. We got our target animal. But you know, just over this hill there's a farm. And very possibly they have cats or dogs. And it's just occasionally possible that you will catch a dog or a cat or any such non-target animal in your trap. And what I'd like to demonstrate it here is how to release that animal. It's really not too difficult if you got a fairly good release stick. These are really handy. So I'll just, for demonstration purposes, show you how we do it. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It's really not too difficult. I'll just carry him off here a ways.